Bodmin Jail, prison located deep in Cornwall. It was active for 150 years, but now stands as a hollow shell, and in my opinion, one of the most haunted locations in all of the UK. Tragic stories can be found in all corners of this prison, including execution by hanging, child prisoners, some of the UK's worst murderers, and of course, cruel and unusual punishments and beatings on the inmates, whether they were innocent or not. Myself of North Cornwall Paranormal teamed up with Paranormal X and the YouTuber Order of Magnitude took on Bodmin Jail. The entire night was filled with paranormal activity, some of the craziest things I've ever seen. The whole video can be found on North Cornwall Paranormal's YouTube page, but now it was approaching 4 a.m. and it was time to take on the dreaded Navy Wing, where earlier that day I'd captured some of our best EVP.
Oh, there's a set .5 there.
And this was only the start. Have a watch as a resident prison ghost comes and walks up to us. You can actually hear the disembodied footsteps as he comes to size us up. This is the Navy Wing of Bodmin Jail.
Stopped it.
I keep thinking I'm seeing faces looking out.
He may well be, Doody.
Alright, you guys, you ready?
Kind of just got called a prat. She went, huh,
You guys got night cam?
prat.
Yeah, it's on. It's recording.
Let me get my equipment out. Hold on. So I want to get a reading now before we walk in, and then a reading as we go in. Alright, so we're as simple as 0. Total 0. Let's go. Oh, scared. Ooh. Intimidating, huh? How are you guys?
Company.
Coming. Oh,
Company.
yeah, you do have company. It's us. Oh. Turn that off for a second. Turn it off. Listen. Hello? If you can hear us, can you say hello? Lights off. If you can hear my voice. If you can hear my voice, would you clearly say hello to us? Or make a noise, perhaps walk so we can hear your footsteps. This is quite a large room. Your footsteps would echo loud enough for us to hear. Still nothing on the millimeter. I'm going to pull on my digital recorder one more second. Though I swear to God, I keep seeing a light right there.
See the right, Judah. It's a Scottish gold, I think.
Pulling out the digital recorder. Just 'cause this place is key for EVP permanently. Well, right.
Hello, Spirit. I came here last weekend and somebody spoke to me very clearly. They said the ship. I understand this is the Navy Wing.
Was that a fly brush?
Where?
I don't know.
Okay, we can hear you walking. We can hear you walking. Can you say hello? Are you intelligent to say hello? We have disembodied footsteps currently. Shine a brighter light so we can see. Is there a full body apparition anywhere in here?
Yeah.
Could you step out of your cell, please? And into the light.
Just shine it right down the middle.
The front is.
Right there. Perfect.
The light might fucking stop for seeing it.
Not necessarily.
Could you please step out of the cell?
Because if anything, we'll see the shadow.
We hear you. It's gonna be okay.
You're free to go now. Your sentence is over.
You need to cross onto heaven. You need to ask God for forgiveness and move on to heaven.
You've done your time. It's over.
If you're still here, could you bang on something for us? Very loudly, just bang on something. Stomp your foot as loud as you can.
That was a siren from a car.
Yeah.
Spirit, we would greatly appreciate if you would. That's a car. We are outdoors right now. If you could step.
It's pigeons.
If you could step out of your cell. I woke all the birds up.
Maybe it is.
They're up there somewhere.
Yeah, they're sleeping in any of these things. Look, I'm gonna listen back now to this. Who's that?
Not a bang.
See what we caught?
Oh, Spirit. I came here last weekend and somebody spoke to me very clearly. They said the ship. I understand this is the Navy wing.
Heard that. There's a jingle. Hold on. Could you jingle your handcuffs for us, please?
Your shackles.
Could you walk this way towards us, please? This cell.
Could just be a bird. There's a chair in here.
Prisoner, could you move that chair for us, please?
Film the chair.
Could you push that chair for us, please? Just push it.
In fact, I am going to quickly do one more EVP. Just film me, alright?
Mm-hmm.
Hello, inmate. If you're in here, you have a night vision on, right?
Yeah.
Mm.
I'm turning this off now.
If you're in here, could you please push the chair? Just move it. Let us know you're here.
Could you turn that light off for us? Because we got night vision.
Can you just move that chair? Just push it aside. Maybe bang on it. Can you bang on that chair? Give us a sign that you're here and you can hear me. Please.
I want to ask you, do you know that you're dead? And you don't need to serve your time anymore here. Do you realise that? You can go now if you want.
Shine the light down the hall. Sir, step out of your cell, please. Shine the night vision, please. Come on. Come on, out of your cell. It's okay. It's almost dawn. Time for breakfast. Come on out. I'll listen back to him and walk back. Anything else you want to? Oh shit! It just jolted to 1.9, which is a big jump, by the way.
Pigeons.
It's okay.
Right.
Prisoner, last thing. 1 minute. One more minute. I understand you're out of your cell now, right? Could you just say hello to us? Or goodbye, and we will leave. And that'll be it. We won't bother you. You can sleep in. Am I the only one getting a really odd vibe in here? Like, a really intimidating vibe?
No.
Like, the footsteps right in front of us is what got me. All right, good night.
God bless.
We will be heading out of here now. Thank you for your time. Whoa, what's
That's
that?
my torch. It's just flashed.
Okay. We'll be heading out now. We hope that you cross over to the other side, to the great beyond. Your sentence here is done and it's all time to leave. It's over. I will say you may not follow us though.
Slow down the ghost box. Please do last communication.
Okay. You don't want to stay with us, trust us. You want to go to heaven. It's time to go to heaven. Thank you. We respect you guys for letting us speak with you tonight. We really enjoyed our time here at Bodmin Jail. And you showed us a lot. Would you like to say goodbye to us as we leave? Goodbye.
Oh, goodbye.
Bye now. Stopped it as well.
All right. I'll take that as a goodbye.
Bye now. And then turn it off.